Okay, so this is a distributor cap for a 2001 Chevy S10 4.3 liter V6, and zooming in, this is a brand new cap. Was on a brand new distributor. It was only on for a total of about 5 or 10 minutes of runtime. There's a misfire that we're trying to fix on cylinder number 4, and here's what we found. You see these little gray marks on the inside of that contact point. They should be very consistent, and you're going to see that some of these look like the rotor tip has actually been hitting the electrode here, and some of them look like there's hardly any carbon marks on there at all. See, this is the one. No, that one's kind of normal. That one's kind of normal. This one kind of looks like the rotor tip has been hitting it, which means it's too close. You see right on the tip right there, it's actually scratched. The spark residue looks a little bit different than on the rest of them. That one is number 6. Number 4, so that's number 6 right there. Okay, that's the one's been getting hit. The one next to it here, number 4, travels all the way across the cap to this electrode right here. This is the one where we actually have a misfire right now. It's a cold cylinder, it's not sparking, not burning off the fuel, and there's almost no carbon tracking on that one at all compared to the others. What you see on the side of the distributor cap is just a reflection, so don't worry about that. See that? It goes away. It's just a reflection. See, they all have a little bit of a gray cloud right there where the spark is arcing, but the one that's going to number 4, which is that one right there, for some reason it looks like there's almost no spark going on there at all, and I have a feeling that something's off center because it's hitting number 6, which is on this one right here. That's number 6. And then the one that's directly across from it, number 4, it's like not really making any kind of a spark. Change the light a little bit here. So that one there actually has a little spark mark on it right there. See that? That is number 3. That is number 4. So across to this one. 4. Oh, it looks like it's been getting hit right there too, maybe. Something's wrong with this cap. I think this cap is defective. That one goes to number 5. Because they should be very evenly spaced for all of them, and it looks like they're not evenly spaced. I'm going to take a caliper and measure them. I'll follow up on another video and let you know what I find.